He was 14, sitting on a hot footpath, hands black with shoe polish. No home, no family, no school. The world walked past him like he didn't exist. But 15 years later, that same invisible boy owned a footwear brand sold in 3 countries. This is Arjun Sharma's story. Arjun grew up poor in Rajasthan. When his father died, his mother sent him to the city at age 10 to find work. He arrived with Rs 50, knocked on his uncle's door and got turned away. That night, he slept alone on a railway station bench. An old cobbler named Ramji Baba noticed Arjun sitting hungry outside his stall. He didn't give him money. He gave him something better, a skill. "Learn this," he said. "Your hands will never go hungry again." Arjun watched, learned, and within weeks he was repairing shoes himself. For 5 years, Arjun repaired shoes, 12 hours a day. Rain or shine, same corner, same tools. He earned Rs 10 to Rs 30 per repair. But he was also watching, noticing which shoes broke fastest, which materials lasted. He started a notebook, not for school, for his dream. One afternoon, a businessman stopped at Arjun's stall with a broken sandal. Arjun fixed it in 10 minutes, perfectly. The man was stunned. He handed Arjun his card. "Come see me, I run a leather company." Arjun didn't sleep that night. He showed up the next morning, notebook in hand. The businessman gave Arjun a factory job as a quality checker. Rs is 6,000 a month. Small salary, but huge opportunity. Arjun learned everything: tanning, stitching, export standards. He worked harder than anyone else. Within 4 years, he was floor manager. But his notebook of dreams was still waiting. At 26, Arjun rented a 300 sq ft space and started his brand, Mitti, meaning soil. First batch, 50 pairs of leather sandals. He sold them door to door. People laughed, some slammed doors, but he kept going. He slept in the workshop some nights. Every pair was made with everything he had. A Delhi blogger bought Mitti's sandals and posted, "Handmade, honest, extraordinary." It went viral overnight. 300 orders in 48 hours. Arjun called Mr. Kapoor, who gave him a loan and factory space. Within 1 year, Mitti went from 50 pairs a month to 5,000. They hired 40 workers. Today, Mitti Footwear has a 10,000 sq ft factory, sold in 400 stores across India, exported to UAE, UK and USA. 280 employees, 40% from rural backgrounds like Arjun's. He was featured in Forbes India, 30 under 30. Every year he returns to that same footpath and sits there for 1 hour. To remember, Arjun had nothing, no school, no money, no family support. He built an empire with leather, thread, and refusal to quit. Your circumstances are not your destiny, they are just your starting point. If this story lit a fire in you, subscribe to Zero to Empire, because every legend has a beginning.